square, Amma? You heard? This is
In
like this.
EWS lab, we heard.
Yes, Amma?
In
Yes,
EWS lab, we heard, sir. It is used to check the perpendicularity.
perpendicular. That's why I wrote T. T means it is a form of T. It is a wood material. One is horizontal, another is vertical. The relation between these two consecutive planes are perpendicular. That is called, means here we want to construct parallel lines or perpendicular lines, but that is not required for you. We will have drawing instrument, mini drafter, that itself will work. Next, you heard set square. Set
Yes,
square.
sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
you
Sir.
name what type of set square you heard?
One is equilateral.
One
Total
is
60. And one is
One
90 degrees.
45 degree, another is 30 to 60 degree. This it you have in compass box. You observe this. This is the set square. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
This is 45, 90 plus how much it is?
90.
90. Always internal angle of any triangle is how much?
180.
180. Remember these things. So we have set square already, two set square. One is there in my compass. I not taken it. That is 30, 60. One side is 30. Another side is 60. Another side is 90. Obviously, we are able to utilize it. So that is the set squares we are using. Then we are using the compass. What is the function of compass, Amma? What is the function of compass?
To draw circles.
To draw circle, to draw arc,
Arc.
there are intersection points. So there are two types. One is small compass, another is big compass. You know about this? Small. So basically this compass is very small. Agree?
Yes, sir.
One more, we have big compass, because sometimes whenever we want to construct big entities, we may not use this, then we will go for big compass. What is the function of divider?
To check measurement.
Measurement, small or big. Sometimes we require this also. These are the instrument what you required. One is drawing board, second one is set square. It is not required, only for knowledge base. Compass, you have to be big and small. If you have divider big, well and good, small it won't be, no problem. If you don't have divider also, we can manage the issue. Then what is the function of scale? What is the function of scale?
To draw lines and measuring marks.
Small and big. Who is that? Somebody is making noise. Don't make noise, Amma. So now we have small. Small scale means how much? How much? 15 centimeter is a small scale. 30 centimeter is a. You should have both of them. Yes, you should have. This is the tool which we are measuring linear dimension. We are measuring for
Linear dimension.
dimension. Mind daggara pettandi. Then we need protractor. What is the function of protractor?
To measure degree between two lines.
Measure angle.
Angular dimension. You have to measure angular dimension. Angular dimension means you can measure. This is protractor. You may have small, big, full, half. It is half. 180 degree we can measure. If you have full protractor, you can measure 360. It is left to you. We need this protractor. That is to measure angular dimension. Scale is for linear dimension. Keep in mind its function also. I am talking with respect to that. So be careful regarding that. Then, what is the function of drawing sheets you required? What you required? Next instrument is,
Drawing sheets.
yes, already you purchased drawing sheets.
Yes, sir. In
Ah.
kit they provide.
Kit it is provided. I will tell sheet numbers. So according to that, you have to use. So what are the different types of drawing sheets, Amma? First one is A0. Sizes we have. A0 size is 841 into 1189 mm. What is the size? Length, height. You can say length, height. It is left to you. A into B is equal to B into A. Which law it is? A into B is equal to B into A. Which law it is?
Associative.
AB is equal to BA. Which law? Huh? Which law?
Multiplicative.
Commutative law.
Commutative law. You have to know these things. That's why I told past. Everything we know. So that's why we always use directly law. It is commutative law. Okay. Now you see, is if you remember this one size, you can remember how decently I will write A0, A1. Divide this 1189 by 2. How much? By 2. How much? It will come 594.5. Make it round up 594. Write this 841 as it is. Any doubts? What I did? First
No, sir.
A0 I know. 841 into 1189. This long dimensions I 2, then I got 594 into 841 as it is. This width will become now length. Next, A2. This divide by 2, 420 into 594. This is A2 size. 840 again divided by 2, 420, 594. A3. 594 divided by 2, 297, 420. This is A3 size. A4, you know where you are using A4? Where you are using A4? Where you used
In
A4?
Xerox. Xerox.
Xerox, everywhere A4 size paper. That is size of 210 by 297. A5, 148 into 210. These are the different types of drawing sheets available. These all are sheets up to A3, A4, A5. These are small sheets, but A0, A1, A2 are big sheets. Basically, we are using only these top 3. Among that, A1 or A0 is our drawing sheet. Sometimes we will provide A1, sometimes A0, depends upon availability. So we are constructing the whole construction or geometry on this segment. So try to remember. Any doubts in this regard? Any doubts? I am talking to you people. Any doubts?
No doubt,
I-
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
One thing I want to tell, you have to keep one separate white notebook with you. I will check randomly. You have to write these things I am writing. It does not mean it is not for my reference. It is for your reference. You have to note down these everything, whatever it may be, things I wrote it on piece of paper should be transferred in your notebook. That is must. And that notebook is a reference for you people. And by using that reference, you have to construct realistic figures. Everyone is having separate white 200 long white notebook. I am talking to you people. Everyone is having separate notebook. Today, before concluding class, I may randomly ask anyone, please show your notebook. What things you wrote. If you shown, then only I will give attendance. Otherwise, I will put it absent. Be careful regarding that. Randomly, I will ask. To whom I will ask, I also don't know. If anyone not responded, it means that you not executed. So there is no question of getting attendance. Everyone should have. You seen that I am using white sheets only. You all are getting my point. Everyone should have separate notebook for drawing, and that notebook should carry all the notes. Since from last class I not asked you people why, because I spoken in general context, but now I am talking with respect to your subject. So be careful regarding this. Noting down. I'm
Yes, sir.
talking to you. Be careful regarding that. Right. Next instrument is 7. Eighth instrument, pencil. Yes. How many people know what is the abbreviation of HBM? What is the abbreviation of HP? What is the abbreviation of HB? Any response? What is the abbreviation of HB? You when since from how many days you are using pencil?
Hard black pencil.
Yes, sir.
Hard black pencil.
ఎక్కడి నుంచమ్మా? Since how long you are using pencils in your past?
In 15 years.
Day 1 of the school, you have first component is HB, pencil. Now tell me, you will go to shop, you will ask, please give me HB pencil. Why you will ask HB, amma? When you don't know the abbreviation of HB? Why you not asked your teacher?
Hard black pencil.
Hard black pencil. Hard black. Bhavya. What is hard? What is black? As per this, H means per word, hard.
Sure.
B means bold. Getting my point? Hard and bold. Bold is always one more name, soft. Now tell me, I will write H, 2H, 3H, up to 9H. Can anyone tell me in mathematically in which terminology I wrote that?
AP. Arithmetic
What
progression.
H, 2H, 3H, so on and so up to 9H. Yes, anyone? Can you respond? What is the terminology it is called?
Arithmetic progression.
No. QB, 4B, 3B, 2B, B. Can anyone tell me what is the methodology I adopted? Can you name it in mathematical terminology?
Descending and ascending.
Very good answer. Who told that? First guy. Who told that? Who told that?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Very good answer, Amma. Always remember, this is ascending order and this is descending order. Be careful. Here I will check your knowledge. Now tell me what is the relation between H and 2H, Amma? How you will create the relation? What is the relation between H and 2H?
Increasing by 1.
Increasing in terms of
Hardness.
hardness. Very good. 2H is twice harder than H. 3H, 3 times harder than this. 4H, 5H means what is happening? 9H means compared to H, 9H is 9H is
Darkest.
9 times harder. No, okay. If it can anytime you ask this pencil in any shop, yes, these all pencils are available in shops. If you go and ask H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, any 6, 7, 8, 9H, everything is available. If hardness increases, what will happen, Amma? What will happen? It is a good sign or bad sign?
Width increases.
It is a
Brightness
question of
increases.
width. It is a question of width, Amma.
Thickness increases, dark.
No, Amma, it is nowhere concerned with dark. We are only talking about hardness. We are not at all talking about any soft or boldness. Bold is separate.
It's rough on paper.
It will, what will happen if you use
It
9H?
is rough on paper, sir.
No, Amma, there is the question of rough. Can we use 9H pencil on piece of paper? Can we use 9H pencil on piece of paper? If we use, what will happen?
Paper will
Paper will, very good answer. Paper will
tear, sir.
tear off, Amma. Paper is a soft material. So that's why always we prefer less harder material. That's why you people should carry always 2H pencil. Not H, not 3, 4, 5. This 9H, can anyone know where they are using? If it is a use, that's why it is available in market. Can anyone tell me? You all people should have one pencil that is 2H. 9H, where they are using? Can we use this 9H for wood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, wood is a harder material than
Paper.
paper. We are using paper. So that's why these are used by carpenters. How many students know? I don't know about that. You have to know application, Samma. Yes, once these all materials are available, it means it is usage is there, it is application is there in existing life. So these all be used by, so hard material required for other segment where we are using harder material compared to the softer material. If we are using softer material, then we have to use 2H. That is enough for our paper. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, tell me what is the relation between 6B and 5B? What is the relation between?
Thickness decreasing.
No, tell me.
Decrease of a hardness, sir.
Darkness, sir.
Is 1 time less bold than 6B.
Which one is less than 6B? Which one?
5B.
5B is a bold. Bold, one more name is called brightness. Bold, one more name is called. One more name is called brightness. It's one more name is soft. 6B is too much softer than the 5B. If it is a soft, what will happen, Amma? What will happen? If material is too soft, what will happen?
Will break.
It will break. Very good answer. You see, when I am using this pencil, if it is too soft, if I apply more pressure, it will break. If it will break, every time you need sharpener. How many times I will use sharpener? So that's why I always remember it is in descending order. Here, brightness as well as softness is getting decreased. That's why what we are using, we want HB pencil. One HB pencil you should have. HB means it should be hard, it should be bright, but it should work for a long span of time. Engineer's first role is that any instrument we are using, any tool we developed, it has to work for a long span of time. That's why you people always remember HB will provide brightness and 2H will provide lightness. Light means as light as, because yes, hardness is there. There is no question of brightness. So keep it in mind. I will explain when we are using 2H pencil, when we are using HB pencil. Any doubts? You got clarity with respect to pencils? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have any doubts, you can ask Amma. Because these classes cannot be repeated in future endeavor. Because these all are basic fundamentals we are teaching. Okay. After this pencil, 9. Sharpener. What is the function of sharpener, Amma?
To sharp the pencil.
Sharp the pencil to make it very smooth. So obviously you know what is the function. Shall I explain? No need. What is the function of eraser?
To erase the
To erase.
pencil marks.
What is the function of eraser?
To erase the
To
pencil
erase
mark.
what the mistake we done in.
Yes, mistake we did. We all are human beings. Definitely we will do mistake. That's why we are not ideal, but we need to rectify it. We are using eraser. So that's why I'm not giving more weightage. Then last instrument is mini drafter. All you people are having mini drafters?
Yes, sir.
That is the main instrument. That is the main instrument. Only I felt that you people doesn't have knowledge about pencils, how the pencils are divided. That's why I taken this as a basic fundamental. So these many instruments we are using for drawing. Any doubts? If you noted down, note down. But these two pencils I want mandatory. What are the things I need? One, set square, then compass, small and big, then scale, small as well as big, protractor, it may be semicircle or circular, drawing sheet, already we provided, pencil, 2H and HB, sharpener, eraser, and mini drafter already we provided while during your admission. Any doubts? Note down all those things. These are the instruments required for you. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you, yes, finish?
Finish.
Okay, listen. Can you observe your drawing sheet? I will make small drawing sheet here. See, this is the drawing sheet. Inside that drawing sheet, one more black line is there. If you want to observe, you can observe it. It is away from that. Any figure we will draw within this black line only. At one of its corner, we have title box. We have title box. Chusara epatra. Anytime
Yes,
you
sir.
observe, click here. What you have to do, it is called title box. Here you write your name, then roll number, section. So many segments are there. I'm not giving. I want here the roll number which you are writing. It should be written by pen. Only one thing you can write by pen is your roll number. You are getting my point. Apart from that, everything should be by pencil only. Only you can use pen for writing roll number. Then you may ask, why, sir, only pen we are using for roll number? Because if you drawn one drawing sheet and you brought to the college and you went for lunch or cup of tea, somebody taken your drawing sheet, he erased your roll number, he wrote his roll number, and now you are searching. Can you search? No, you cannot get it back your drawing sheet. Why it happened, Amma? Because we have provision the pencil, we can erase it. He, without performing any task, he simply taken drawing sheet from your draw and he erased your roll number. So that's why we insist. If you won't write, I will write by red pen. Be careful regarding that. We will check each and every drawing sheet. So that is the thing you have to be remember. Any doubts? Compulsory roll number should be by pen. Okay. Next. Then sheet number. Here it is written. Somewhere it is sheet number, date. So all those things are there. You have to fill according to when we taught that date will be the sheet number date. Next. First thing. Now sheet number 1. This is the first. It is you have to note down. I will write initially 1, 2, 3, 4. Sheet number 1. Introduction to engineering drawing. In title, what is that? There is the one column called title. Introduction to drawing. Engineering spelling, it take more time. Introduction to drawing or introduction to drawing instruments. Drawing. Introduction to drawing concepts. Write this. Introduction to drawing concepts. Title is sheet number 1. Introduction to drawing concepts. Got it? Sheet number 1. Until now, these things should be in your notebook. But now sheet number 1 onwards, everything what I will perform, it is title. I am writing in that box here. In this box, there is a one line called title. In that title, you write introduction to drawing concepts. Or if you are feeling, sir, introduction to drawing concept is very big, make it drawing concepts. Enough. Drawing concepts. It is left to you. Make it only drawing concepts. Introduction, remove change. Only make title drawing concept. You can write very comfortably in that box. Made it like under that. First, different, note down on your different types of lines. What is the title? First, different types of lines. But you should not write like this. What you have to do? You have to write by using scale. So here everything will play very vital role. Shall I write like this? I can make anything, right? So here, I don't want to waste my paper. Yes. Very systematically, you have to write that. Give 10 mm height. See that I am measuring it's 10. Here also 10 because I don't have big scale. So you should not say that, sir, why you measure 2 times 10? Because I can get parallel line. What do you mean by this? These two lines are
Parallel lines.
parallel. Why it is called parallel line, Sama? Why it is called
At any point, distance is same.
same? They are equidistant from each other. They are equidistant from each other. What you have to write? Different types of lines. How I will write, you see. Only I will write partially.
Sir?
Different.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to do this roughly in the observation book.
Drawing sheet. You have to do it in drawing sheet. That's why I'm teaching. But
Now
don't
only we
write
have to
that
do,
alone.
sir.
Yes, Amma?
Now we have to do that.
No. You have to first note down in your rough notebook. Right. Then taking enough time, you have to convert these all things in your drawing sheet, just like how I am doing. First, initially, I wrote different types of lines. But what I told, in rough notebook, you can note down like this. But in drawing sheet, you have to write like this. Everything capital, including this drawing caps, Drawing concept should be capital letters only. Be careful regarding that. There is a space provided at that place. Different. Carefully observe, Charlie. That's why I'm telling you. See how I am doing. Everything you people has to do in your drawing sheet. I insisted you to make videos. Why I given that option for recording? Later, if somebody forgotten, you can recall my videos. You can see what Kulkarni sir followed. Getting my point? And I asked initially, some people not, I will take attendance, wait for a while. Because, Getting my point? These are the things. Again, after that, again you have to rejoin. Again, I will give permission for all three guys. Those who asked me different types, keep some space.